Hello everybody, today I'm gonna make another part of my scrolling tutorials. Now last time we added wall collisions and lava hitboxes, which I eventually made a bunch of mistakes in the wall collisions. And we also added a border. That was optional. If you did add a border, you can delete it if you want, but I'm gonna keep mine. So yeah, now we are going to add the start screen and end screen. So first, you have to make a new sprite. Now we have to keep that, but we have to change something in here. Take all this out, delete that. Take when I receive something, new message, I'm gonna call this begin. Put it at the start of here. Now we have to make a new sprite. And I'm gonna make it. This is gonna be the start screen. Mine's gonna look like this. I'm gonna set my color to 15 and the outline to 10. And don't forget to center it. It's important when you center it. Oh wait, what? Oh, hold on. Center it. Have it centered. And add a code in here. Line green flag clicked. Set ghost effect to 0. And a hide block. You don't need to do that same thing for the hitbox because it already sets it. But now we're gonna add text. I'm gonna choose marker. You can choose anything you want. You probably choose pixel, but I'm gonna do marker because it kind of looks cool for me. Say start. Don't forget to center it. And I think this is a bit too big, so yeah, I'm gonna just change it. Show, and when clicked. And this right clicked. Hide, and then broadcast begin. Now, it is simple, and when I receive begin, hide. Let's test it. Oh, I forgot. When I say receive begin, show. Let's test it out. Boom, got a character, everything start. We have a, but we can also take that out. A show block, put it here, and a hide block. I'm gonna add a cool backdrop. You don't need to if you don't want to. I'm gonna do probably I'm gonna do this one looks actually kind of cool. To me, it kind of gives me illusions. Switch backdrop to raise, and then put when I receive begin. Which backdrops to backdrops one. Let's try this. See? Oh, I forgot. When this starts, we hide it. Receive. And don't forget a show. We always need to put a show. And there we have it. The start screen looks cool. And yeah, when we click this, game starts. Now we have to do the death screen. Okay. Now take out the restart button. This one. And there's no more unstop, so that's kind of useless. Then we're gonna broadcast death. We're gonna broadcast death and wait. Death. Oh wait. Death. Boom. And now we're gonna have we're gonna receive death. Show. Alright, let's test it out. Let's go here. Wait until we die. What the? Wait, what? Okay, that's confusing. Okay, sometimes I actually make mistakes because I'm not really good at this. Hold on, let's check. Okay, we got. Oh, I know what to do. When I receive death, stop everything. Stop all. Stop large scripts and sprite. Put it into other one things. Not that. Maybe the hitbox. Let's try it out. Play again. Die. And everything stopped. Oh, and I forgot to set ghost effect to 0. Now, before we do that, ghost effect to 100. It's giving these creeps. Change ghost effect. Okay, set. We have to set 10. Okay. Okay, you know what? Untitled thought, just do this. Wait for till we die. Let's see, it's always showing. Now we have to duplicate this and then change this to erase start. And yes, as you may notice, I just added Grammarly. Just don't add changes to hide because we don't want it. But when I receive death, we can show this. Let's try to test it out. Now we got perfectly, then we die. And let's see what happens when we die. And it's right there. We want it to be in the middle though, which is true. Okay. Gotta do when I receive begin. Begin. It's gonna hide. And we have to put this in the begin sprite. Alright, test it out. We die on purpose because just to test something. And no, we did. Start. Everything's good. So yeah, that's for part 3. We added a death screen, and yeah. Next time there will be a part 5 probably, and the hitbox is not working for a reason. I don't know why. See. And we die, we can restart the game. And yeah, boom. Nope, that's it for this video. Bye bye.